Here I have OnePlus Nord N30, and today I'm going to show you how to remove screen lock from this device in case if you set yourself PIN, password or pattern and unfortunately you forget it and can't even unlock your device now. So what can you do in this kind of miserable situation? Firstly, you will have to turn your device off by holding down power key and volume up, then swipe power off. Then hold down combination of keys power key plus volume down at the same time for a couple of seconds like this, and after the screen turns on and you can see OnePlus logo appeared, you should release power key and keep holding only volume down just like me. In the following menu, select English, then select Format Data, then enter this verification code that you will have right here, like you won't have this one, you will have your own individual code. Then tap Format. After a few seconds, all the data from your device will be deleted, including your lock screen password, and device will be restarted in about a minute or so. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.